Down with unemployment, down. Down with corruption, down. Palama mkondo wesizwe, palama. Haibuye. Here Africa. Comrades, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm a comrades, I said, Kulu, get them up, brother. We all know why we are here. When they finally got Kulu Tina, Jenamalu, one condo wesizwe. Asa Kuluma Tang and a pena. When I want to see Kuma, come and say, Abandu, Abangawas. Nabanye bewas Godra, by a pig. We are here namhlanje ngenxa yokuthi sibona icorruption ekhona kuhulumeni kaRamaphosa sukela phezulu ku-national kuze kufika phansi ku-local ezokusho ke kuSimbulu kudala abantu bakithi bengasebenzi kodwa ekhona amathuba omsebenzi si-apply esibizwe iphuma ipost iphuma igazethi ukuthi ikhona imisebenzi i-100 si-apply sonke sihamba ama-interview kodwa mase kuqashwa abantu abangehambanga nge-process. We are saying as umkhondo wesizwe, we are here to clean the process. We are going to remove all corrupt people abaningi abantu bakubo nabangengabo ney'ntombi zabo imisebenzi. We are clear ngomasina ukuthi umkhondo wesizwe. The moment we are telling you to that majority, we are not going to allow abantu abasebenzisa iy'khundla ngoba befuna ukuzikhuphalisa bona. Siyalamba sonke uma khona imisebenzi asiqashwe sonke njengabantu abangama-citizens ase-South Africa. Ayikho i-citizen engcono kunenye ngenxa yokuthi wena uhlala nekhansela noma uhlala ne-manager kamasipala akusho ukuthi ungcono kunami ongenami ngotekhaya. Nami ngingawamandla ngiyavota ngiyayikhokha intela njengomuntu okhona e-South Africa. Kubalulekile-ke ukuthi akube-fair uma kwenziwa lama-processes. Sikhathele umasipala waseThekwini olinde ubaba uKhawunda. Ayikho into elungayo nakuphuma amabhajethi phuma amamiliyoni ngasonke isikhathi kodwa i-service delivery ayikho. Kuyimanje imigwaqo ingcolile, amapala agcwele amapala, amaphulo avaliwe, imisebenzi ayikho. Amaphoyisa nje abekhipha amaphoyisa manje fakuqashwa labakametsho kodwa kungathola bonke abantu laba abahamba bokwenza i-training benza ama-interviews bangene emakhaya kuqashwa abantu abangakwalifayi. Siphansi ukukhokhela phansi phansi ney'gebengu phansi ubuyile umshwalense ubuyile. Siyabala comrades, ngifuna ukuthi asingasabi lesi sinqumo se-Concord ungabade asazi. Asikho vele isinqumo sesamfeko ngoba Concord ingako ngo-2021 bambopha bengamnikanga ijwayeli. Baqala ngaye ukuthi abantu badlululo sibe nomuntu ozoboshwa nje engazange azachazela apha inside the story. So you must not worry comrades. For the first time in the history of South Africa, if it must be, sizoba no-president olidizwe ehlele engadle engekho ngisho ephalamende. Angizibadayisile abantu belifundisa ukuthi leli izwe lelingabelungu. Leli izwe lokhokho bethu. Kodwa asifanyane abelungu, asifune baxosha. Kodwa akushintshi ukuthi leli izwe lethu eloba bomkhulu libhilonga thina. iLondon yabo asibabangisi. I-America bayitshotshela kuma-Red Indians asibabangisi. eGermany asibabangisi. La yindaba kuthiwe South Africa belongs to all who live in it. Black and white, and we must share. Yet when you go to Germany, they say Germany belongs to Germany. When you go to America, America belongs to Americans. When you go to Russia, Russia belongs to Russians. South Africa, after we take power, it shall belong to the native people. Who are the native people? It's the black people. It's the black people. Comrades, abaphelele. Comrade, sifuna ama-security wonke aqashiwe abe ne-medical aid, a-afford i-medical aid. Uma uyi-security kumele uziqhenye uma yi-security ngoba ungumsebenzi ofana nabo bonke abasebenzi. Comrades, abantu abaklinayo ema-office nasemabhizinisini amakhulu bayafana njengo-secretary, bayafana njengama-manager. All cleaners must have benefits who are exactly as those who are managers. Comrades, umzabalazo wethu uyaqhubeka. Lamakhansela angolile ezowakhipha. Akungolile amakhansela kuphela. Ungole ngisho naye uma bukhawula. Uma ukuthi aphikise eduze nalo lamfaka elambona. Udwela amantombazane abalela nawo la, bagolise nayo ofisi. Umuntu namanga nanti badela duze. Bangibasulela nanti. Because for you to get a permanent post, for you to get a job, you must sleep with the counselor, you must sleep with Kaunda, you must sleep with some of them who are here for you to get a permanent job. As MP, we are going to trust that as a matter of fact. You must not get a job because you sleep with Kaunda. You must get a job because you have a CV, you are hardworking and you want to work and feed your family, not because you sleep around. Asifuni ukulala nomuntu, asifunele ngishelele nje mangiyibone into benhle. Hayi ukuthi umsebenzisi isithunja uze ngithola umsebenzi. Bawefike laba ngoba banani namantombazane kuphela. Noma ubani umntendele bakhona phansi. Baphelile bafambisile. Baqedile. Comrades, Sikhiya comrades, amabhizinisi awangathola ngokuthi ubhilonga liphi iqembu. Uma wenza ithenda, uma wenza ibhizinisi uzomele uyithole on the basis of your work and on the basis of your presentation and on the basis of your beauty. Nepotism must come to an end. Favoritism must come to an end. Comrades, we're only left with 6 days, 4 days before elections. Don't be scared, comrades. Don't be tired, comrades. What makes me proud is that we went in Orlando when they closed us buses, when none of our members were left behind, when buses cancelled because of the ANC, but Orlando was full to capacity. Let them spoke to their people, and I saw another president party. We are everywhere, SMK. They couldn't sleep. Namajura maposa tu zapetu esisi. Ayapendo wamakate sleep. They thought they were going to go to Orlando because they've been nice saying we're a Zulu party. We're proving it to them that we're not a Zulu party. We have foreigners, we have ladies, we have Shangalis, we have Tongas, we have all tribes, we have Kosak and the MK, because MK is an organization of the people. Even Benny Payne, even Papa Payne. I didn't know that you were alone. Yeah, but if I want to ride, you go to the Comrades, Indians are black. When we were black during apartheid, it was Indians, colored and blacks. And when people were this side, when you say an Indian here, an Indian is not lost. This is the home of Indians. Because
come in numbers. We want Indians to come in numbers because MK is the home of Indians, is the home of Kannada, is the home of blacks and progressive whites. So comrades, we are not a racial organization, but we understand our revolution. We understand where we come from. That is why we speak like this. Some may say we speak like this because we are always angry. We are not angry. We are passionate. Sifuna ukubona ushintsho. Uphelile ukethiyeza ezoloma bomkhulu. Siphile ngathi asiyilutho. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu olambile, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu oyiphara, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu ohlala emthondolo, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu obalengadlile, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu obukelekhukhula, umuntu omnyama. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu ohlezi abanjukunzi, umuntu omnyama. Amathele avela abantu abamnyama. Kwenzakalani ezoloma bomkhulu? Angishumayeli inzondo, ngishumela iqiniso. Lo mlando wenzekalayo phambi kwami ukhayile. Nami ngalifika linje. Okwami ngifisa ukuthi kushintshe, izoshintsha mina nawe. Before we die, we must make sure that we live like other humans again. That's fully understandable. That's fully for representing tonight. We cannot accept a situation whereby a dog of a white person is on medical aid, yet I'm going to the medical aid as a human being. We cannot accept a situation whereby a dog of a white person has 3 meals a day, yet I don't have a single meal a day. The only meal I eat is equal and Apollo meal. Let it happen. And expect you not to be angry. Comrades, inkantolo iprepare isinqumo yafuna ngixoxelindaba bangasithosi yazi asikhishizwa yini ayesaba nakwana kuthe magwani Orlando ubaba lo lethanetishe fana nelami ngisho ngelapha wabiza umngane wakhe uZondo baba nganathi ngakwaZondo wambizela eBha lapha Stellenbosch unebhayili badliwayini nabanika umngane wabo omhlophe uyi-100 wathi wena le ndoda le ayinandelo iphathomenti kusasa kuyaza usifuna istadium sasa kumsa nje vimba le ndoda yakaNomalanga ingayo ephalamende ngoba uma le ndoda yayo ephalamende mina nawe siyejele manje uma uhlakaniphile nawe ucathi uZondo bengawusebenzisa ngempela umthetho ngoba ngokuqonda kwabomncane bacabanga ukuthi uma bethi uNomalanga nekazangena ephalamende sizoleka ukumvotela wakula ngophosa wazi kahle wathola namadola engaphansi kombhede kwathi nje eqeni imvoti lokugcina kwathi we-NK winile amaveni abheke kuye alomuntu oyimthetho ngiyobe ngimthibile kahle baba ngeke sekulethi akubona mina mfoka kancane zokulethi ngokuphusha amaveni ngapha phambili awamlandi ana ngosini ngazayilanda sidina ngokuzona ukuthi nawo bafikelana so comrades there is reaction ukuthi usumaka zangena eParliament it's a reaction because bafuna singayivoteli MK comrades i-MK soyivotela bayathanda abathandi homo uzuzuma abahole izwe akadingi ukuyoshikisha ibhenshi lapha engathumela ngisho isibungulu asitshele ukuthi hamba usayina lokhu usayine lokhu osha lokhu ubophe lokhu amandla sikulendekasha sefana comrades lingasabi comrades lingasabi lesa sikhuma sisho lutho it's the next kick of a dying dog not of a dying horse and let's kick off a dying donkey. Comrades, history is on our side. The ancestors is on our side.